Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to talk through a step-by-step guide on how to schedule your appointment with Quest Diagnostics to have your lab testing performed. Once you get to the appointments page on Quest Diagnostics website, you're going to want to scroll down and click on Schedule an Appointment. From here, you're going to want to click on the button that says Medical Professional as the one who's sending you. Now, I know this is a little confusing because there's a button over here that says Purchase My Own Tests, but this button is actually specifically for people who buy testing directly through Quest Diagnostics. Since Grassroots Labs provides medical oversight from licensed physicians who generate an order for your lab tests, you're going to want to click on the button that says you're being sent from a medical professional. Alright, here you're going to want to click on all other tests unless that you are scheduled for a COVID antibody test. Otherwise, let's click on the all other tests button. Now, if you have location-based services turned on in your browser, this is going to pull up a location for you. I'm going to go ahead and just search for the zip code where I'm at. And it's going to pull up the one that's closest to me. If you'd like to see these results in a map format, you can click on this map here and it will show you the testing centers and you can pick the one that's closest to you. I know that this one is the closest to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Alright, here's the information about the test center, here's the hours that it's available. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on Schedule Appointment. During this COVID-19 pandemic time, there's some special requirements when visiting the testing center. You're going to want to read these disclaimers and make sure that you're going to be able to comply with them in order to move forward. So now that I have the schedule up, I can go for a day where I am going to be available. I'm going to go ahead and click 9 a.m. Alright, and that brings me here to this screen where I'm going to fill out my information. Alright, now that I've filled out my information, I'm going to take a look at the types of notifications that I want for this appointment. I can select either email or text. I do want you to know though that if you select either of these options, Quest will begin sending you notifications for all of your lab work that you have done with them. Going forward in the future. So just please be aware of that if you decide to be notified about your appointment. And we're going to go ahead and hit Schedule Appointment. Alright, so from here you're actually going to be able to click the button that says Not Now. You don't need to provide any pre-registration information because if you purchase lab tests through Grassroots Labs, we're going to send all of that information ahead to Quest on your behalf. So you can just go ahead and click Not Now. Alright, and this is the end of the process. I would like to encourage you to click on the Print Details button here, which will print out this web page with this barcode on it. Quest has instituted some new contactless intake procedures at their testing center, which allows them to minimize the amount of contact that you have with their staff members. And so when you go into the testing center, you'll be able to take this sheet of paper and scan this barcode, and it will check you in automatically and let them know that you are available to have your test performed. And so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have any questions, reach out to the customer service team here at Grassroots Labs, and we look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.